What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm who they call Dr. Phil, and this is Field Garage. On this episode, we're going to be building an exhaust on a Chevrolet Apache 1958. It's older than what I am, and I'm pretty old. Well, I feel old. This car is built by my good friend Mark Slooten from Slooten Race Cars. It's not done yet, still got a little way to go, but let me show you what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. So it's pretty early on a Saturday morning, and we finished up the midsection last night. Time to get cracking on the rear section. We've got a few hours left to finish this car because they're fetching it very early Monday morning. And hey look, there's you. Now the interior hasn't been done and doesn't have the best chair in the world, but at least it starts. Thank you very much for popping by, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.